In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invitation in Bitbucket. Whether you're teaming up with colleagues on a new project or adding a new member to your existing team, inviting users to your Bitbucket account is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through every step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Bitbucket dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage all your repositories and account settings. Once you're on your dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a gear icon. This icon signifies the Settings menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page filled with various configuration options. Now, find the section labeled User Management. Selecting this option will redirect you to another tab or window, depending on your web browser settings. This page is crucial because it allows you to manage existing users and invite new ones to your Bitbucket space. Once you've landed on the user management page, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there, and you'll want to click on Directory. This section is where you can view all current users and manage their roles and permissions. But for today, our focus is solely on inviting new users to join your Bitbucket account. In the Users directory, look for an option that says Invite Users. Clicking on this will open a simple form where you can enter the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. Enter the email address of your invitee carefully to ensure there are no typos, as this could lead to invitation errors or misdirected emails. Once you've typed in the correct email, you'll see a button labeled Send Invite. Click on it, and just like that, the invitation is on its way. As a tip, if you want to invite multiple users at once, you can usually enter several email addresses separated by commas, so keep that in mind to streamline your process. Once your invitees receive their emails, they simply need to follow the instructions to join your Bitbucket space. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to invite new collaborators to your Bitbucket environment. By seamlessly following these steps, you can enhance your team's collaboration and ensure that everyone has access to the resources they need. Remember, effective user management is key to keeping your projects organized and your team aligned. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.